So tell us your name.
Please, my name is Blackba Edem Nicholas, inventing as Ben Ambitious Inventions.
Ambitious inventions.
Yes.
Okay, so you are from which region?
I'm from Eastern region.
Eastern region. Nice one. All right. So during your display, you exhibited so many stuff. Right,
This
I've
year.
already recorded that you have exhibited, and I mean you did a great job. What actually inspired you to go into this kind of stuff?
Okay, first, it's my talent, and I have the passion for creativity, and it's something that I want to do in future. I want to become a mechatronics engineer. So that's what inspired me. And also, I see that when it is time for Christmas, you see people placing order from China, America, and buying toys to sell for Ghanaians to buy. I see it that we can build something in our country that we can sell them in Ghana here.
And the water starts coming. So as soon as you let it, it will stop. When you put it on it, then it starts coming.
Wow. Let's clap for him. This amazing project. So one done. So let's move on to the next. Okay, sure. So what do you have for us next?
Okay, this one is also a phone holder. You can be used in the offices. You can disassemble it and also assemble it.
That's so amazing. So what's the level of your education?
Okay, I'm in SHS 2
SHS to do all this kind of stuff.
this year.
That's so lovely. Okay, so now what's your source of funding?
Okay, sometimes through personal savings, and sometimes to some people assist me.
So how about your parents? Do they buy into your idea? Do they like what you're doing?
Please, yes, they like
They
it.
like it.
Yeah.
They like it. Wow, that's so beautiful. I am so impressed because I formed two SHS and you could do this stuff for yourself. You know, someone in a university might not be able to do it, right? And so in your product or in the gadget that you exhibited, do you code? Do you write codes?
Please, no, I don't have a laptop.
So how did you come? Like, what's the ingredient that you joined to do stuff like this?
Okay, it's full of PVCs and bottles. I cut different sections of PVCs and join them together using glues.
If they are ingredients, whether you like it or not. So what do you have for us next? So I think you have given me this one, right? I'm using it, it's very helpful. Okay, so let's move on to the next project.
This is also an hydraulic control excavator.
Wow. Let's clap for him, please. Let's clap for him.
That's why I have the
You don't
passion.
even have a laptop.
Please, yes. I wish I could learn it, but one challenge is that I don't have a laptop. Even if I get a laptop, I can learn it myself, but I don't have one. So
My goodness. Now tell my audience what you need because such a person like you need to be supported. I mean, provision of laptop would, take you very fast. So tell them something.
please, my viewers, what I need now to build amazing stuff and get into robotics now is Arduino board and especially laptop, which can help me build more stuff.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Thank you so much for talking to us on Village Boy YouTube channel.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
All right, so you mention your name once again then.
Okay. Please, my name is Blackba Edem Nicholas, Ben Ambitious Inventions on YouTube.
Ambitious inventions.
Ben
Wow.
Ambitious.
Wow, I'm not getting the name right.
Ben Ambitious Inventions.
Ben.
Yes.
As in, what's the spelling?
BEN.
Okay,
Ben.
Ben Ambitious
Inventions.
Inventions.
Yes.
I wish you good luck and I wish you to be on top, someday to come. And I hope that my audience are also going to support you as well to get the laptop that you need to help you, learn the coding aspect of your about your project, man. And also, maybe if you have something to say, your final words, then we wrap up. If you have anything that we didn't touch on it, but you want our audience to know, you can say it then.
Okay, so what I need is support, then ambitious inventions to go far, so that we can build amazing stars and grow Ghana as a country.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so that's one. Okay, so what do you have for us? This one, what is it?
This is blender.
Hey now, Becca. Okay, so let's wait for the blender to start. Okay, so those who are having their food, if you want to eat, please you can enjoy yourself whilst the young engineers are showcasing their projects, right? Yes. Water, okay. Water, please.
It can use up to 20 volts or 24 volts, but I'm having only 4.8 volts battery here, so it's not that much powerful. You can connect it to electricity through extension board, but I don't have some here right now, so I'm using the battery to showcase. So here is the switch. As soon as you switch it on, there is a blade in it which will start working.
Another one again.
Sure.
Okay,
This one there is like Bali. Okay, so tell us what it's about.
it's a Bluetooth music speaker.
Sure.
So you switch on your Bluetooth, then you connect your phone to it through Bluetooth.
DJ Bominyum.
Okay, so what do you have for us next? Okay.
This school bus.
So he built a bus for his school. Wow, clap for him. Can you tell us some of the features that this bus has? Because I'm thinking it's not an ordinary bus, right?
Yeah, it has a Bluetooth music here, which you can connect your phone to it. It also contains disco lights. It can move forward and backwards using the remote control. It can turn left and right also. I built them from cardboard and plywood.
Wow, that's amazing. What's the meaning of disco lights?
Okay, I can see a light that blinks continuously.
Oh, okay. So the one that people are using to dance during party stuff.
Something like this. So if you want it to move forward, this is the remote control. Backwards, you want it to turn left and right also. You can use the remote to control it. Because of traveling long journey, I couldn't bring all my inventions to this place. So I have a YouTube channel whereby I showcase all my inventions when I'm done. It is Ben Ambitious Inventions on YouTube, so you can search and follow. If you want to contact me too, I am on WhatsApp +233 540 558852.
Come again.
0540 558852.
Please, you can connect with him on LinkedIn as well. You can search for his YouTube channel, Ben Ambitious Invention. Okay, so I just want to ask you some questions. What are some of the challenges that you face, and how do you think people can, when someone wants to help you, how do you do mechanics?
Okay, some of my challenges is that I have the passion for building robotics inventions using Arduino and programming coding, but I don't have a laptop to do those things, and I don't have access to Arduino, so I find challenges in those fields. So that's why all my inventions built are mechanical, in the form of mechanicals and small electricals. I don't use Arduino in building them. That's one of the challenges. And financial problems, and sometimes getting the materials also is a big challenge.
Okay. Thank you very much. Let's clap for you. Let's clap for you. I think by the end of this program, you'll get a laptop. Sure. Okay. So next we have Richie.